How AI will make millionaires in 2025. There's a financial tsunami coming, but not everyone will drown. Some will ride this wave to unstoppable wealth. The secret? Artificial intelligence. You've heard it a million times. AI is taking jobs, but what no one is telling you is that AI isn't just taking jobs, it's creating millionaires. And if you act fast, you can be one of them. The question is, are you ready to take action? In this video, I'll show you exactly how AI is reshaping wealth, the top AI-driven businesses making people rich, and the step-by-step methods you can use to turn AI into your money machine. Stay till the end, because I'll reveal real case studies of people making 6 and 7 figures using AI. Plus, a hidden strategy most people have no clue about. AI's impact on wealth building. Imagine waking up one morning to find your bank account growing. Not because you worked more hours, but because AI was making money for you. Sounds like a dream? Well, for thousands of people, it's already a reality. AI is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's the biggest wealth-building tool of our generation. From automating businesses to optimizing investments, AI is reshaping how money is made, and those who understand how to use it are becoming millionaires at record speed. But here's the shocking part. Most people are still sleeping on this opportunity. While some are debating whether AI will replace jobs, others are quietly using it to build multiple income streams. The truth is, every major economic shift in history has created new millionaires. Think about the Industrial Revolution. Those who adapted and built factories became wealthy beyond imagination. The rise of the internet gave birth to billion-dollar companies that started in garages. Now, AI is the next great wealth shift. The question is, will you capitalize on it, or will you be left behind? The top AI-driven industries creating new millionaires. Not all industries are created equal. Some are being completely disrupted by AI, while others are thriving like never before. The key to making money in 2025 and beyond is knowing which industries are exploding with AI-driven opportunities. Here are 3 industries where AI is turning regular people into millionaires faster than ever before. AI-powered SaaS. Software as a service. You don't have to be a programmer to profit from AI software. The SaaS industry is booming, and AI is making it easier than ever to launch digital products that people are willing to pay for. Instead of spending years developing complex software, AI tools now allow anyone to create and sell automated solutions for businesses, marketers, and entrepreneurs. For example, people are launching AI-powered copywriting tools, AI-driven customer support bots, and even AI video editing platforms, all without writing a single line of code. The best part? Once you build an AI-driven SaaS business, it can generate passive income for years. Entrepreneurs are scaling to 6 and 7 figures in months, simply by leveraging AI to automate business operations. This industry isn't just profitable, it's exploding. And those who jump in now will be the ones leading the future. AI-driven healthcare and biotech. Healthcare is undergoing a transformation unlike anything we've seen before. AI is revolutionizing medicine, helping doctors diagnose diseases faster, predicting health risks, and even assisting in drug development. But beyond the medical breakthroughs, the real money is in AI-powered health and wellness startups. Companies are using AI to create personalized nutrition plans, AI fitness coaches, and even mental health chatbots. The demand for health optimization is skyrocketing, and AI-powered solutions are at the forefront. People who understand this trend are investing early in AI-driven health businesses, and they're seeing massive returns. AI in finance and trading. Remember the days when only hedge funds and elite Wall Street traders had access to the best market strategies? Those days are over. AI-powered trading bots and algorithmic investment tools are now available to anyone, meaning you don't have to be an expert to grow your wealth. AI tools can analyze millions of data points in real time, identify profitable trades, and execute them automatically, eliminating human error and maximizing profits. And it's not just stocks. AI is reshaping crypto trading, forex, and even real estate investing. Investors who use AI are gaining a huge competitive edge, and those who ignore it are leaving money on the table. The future of finance belongs to AI, and those who adopt it early will see the biggest gains. How to leverage AI automation to generate income. while you sleep. At this point, you might be wondering, how do these businesses keep making money even when their owners are asleep? The answer is automation. AI is designed to handle repetitive, time-consuming tasks without needing a human to supervise it. And when used correctly, it allows you to build a fully automated system that generates income 24/7. Let's say you run an AI-powered YouTube channel. Once you create a video using AI-generated scripts, voiceovers, and editing tools, that video keeps getting views, generating ad revenue, and attracting new subscribers without you lifting a finger. Or take AI-driven e-commerce. Once you set up an AI-powered store, it can automatically attract customers, process orders, and handle customer service, ensuring you make sales at all hours of the day. And in trading, AI bots can execute trades while you sleep, allowing your investments to grow even when you're not watching the market. The reality is this: AI doesn't take breaks. It doesn't get tired. It works around the clock to maximize your income. This is why AI is so powerful. It allows you to set up income streams that don't require constant effort, freeing up your time and increasing your earning potential exponentially. And this leads us to the real-world proof. Real case studies of people making millions. With AI right now, regular people are using AI to completely transform their financial lives. Take, for example, a former Uber driver who started a faceless YouTube channel powered by AI. In just a few months, he built a channel that now makes over $50,000 per month, all without recording a single video himself. Or the college student who used AI chatbots to create a fully automated consulting business, scaling it to 6 figures in under a year. And then there's the e-commerce entrepreneur who went from $0 to $100,000 in sales in just 6 months by using AI to optimize product selection, marketing, and customer service. The key takeaway? These people didn't start with millions of dollars. They weren't experts in AI or business. They simply recognized the opportunity, took action, and let AI do the heavy lifting. So the real question is, will you be next? Future-proofing. Your income. With AI is not a passing trend. It's a permanent shift in the way money is made. Those who embrace it will thrive. Those who ignore it will struggle to keep up. If you wait too long, the best opportunities will be gone. The time to act is now. The AI money revolution is here. If this video opened your eyes to the power of AI, don't stop here. Hit the like button, subscribe to MoneyMatic Masters, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. And if you're ready to take the next step, watch our next video, where we reveal the best AI tools to build wealth in 2025. Click on it now, and I'll see you inside.